Emergency Broadcast System Official Government Information Civil Defense Instructions. If you see this message, you may have got mail. Don't open your mailbox. A red person will come to you. They can go through fricking walls to get their victim. If you insult their awe, they will call their gang. Let's see a video of it. Hello, I think this is false. It's trash. I opened my mailbox and why can I see a red person coming to me? It went through the WA. Emergency Broadcast System Official Government Information Civil Defense Instructions. We have an update of this entity. They can grow up to 9 feet. Bullshit. Will you wake up tomorrow?